my people of the tubes. It's coming down to about 4:45 right now, and I am in the process of making dinner. Over here in my pot, I've got 4 cups of water, 1 can of Kreider white turkey meat in water. And let me tell you, at the temperatures we're currently dealing with right now, that water was actually gel with some fat. It says 98% fat-free. Well, yeah, not so much. But here's the new thing we're trying tonight. Well, I actually had this last night. Pretty damn good. But what I found is with this pasta, this package calls for 2.5 cups of water, and it's not enough. It's because the pasta just ain't cooked enough. Now tonight we're actually having another flavor that's also new. This is grown-up macaroni and cheese, creamy chipotle. Now I cut the bag before I thought to film this, and it also says new across the top of the package. Just like the 4 cheese that I was just showing you says new across the top of the package. Here's the best part. I got these at Dollar Tree, so that's $1, not $3 like at Ocean State. That's all right. The turkey was $2 for the can of turkey. Now, directions say bring your liquid to a boil, and it says 2.5 cups, and I'll tell you after last night, these things took almost 4 cups of water to get the pasta tender. So I've just gone ahead and started with 4 cups. A little bit of chicken bouillon and a can of turkey meat, and when it comes to the boil, which is almost there, in goes the pasta and it gets stirred in. So, Grandpa, that's what's for supper here at camp tonight, the 17th of November. Yeah. Now, I've had a few questions about people offering to help out. Well, if you're of a mind and you wish to send some help to a retired, homeless, penniless veteran, you're welcome to send to my P.O. Box. That would be 31 Palumba Drive, Suite 404, Enfield, Connecticut, 06083. And you can address it to Emberado, Smithing and Woodcraft. They know who I am. Now, let me be clear. When I was talking about donations, chipping in to help out, I am not asking for donations. I'm not trying to get donations. I am answering a couple of comments. Some people sent me some private emails, asked if they could contribute to help me out. So let me make this crystal clear. Any donations sent will be gratefully accepted. But I am not asking for or hoping to get donations. But I won't insult people by refusing a gift to help out a retired, disabled person living homeless in the woods. Because it's my mindset that when somebody goes out of their way to send some help, however small it is, it's an insult to refuse it. Even if it's $1. I know, I've been there. I've had times when I was flush and contributed, dropped off cash money, dropped off foodstuffs, dropped off gear to people who were homeless. Most of them accepted it with a thank you. Had a few refuse it. I felt very, very insulted. Because I never gave more than like $10 to any one person at a time. And anyone who refused a little bit of help, I didn't go back to them ever again. The ones that said thank you, I took them more stuff the next time I had a little extra cash to spare. This is the way I've always lived my life. Right now I'm at a low ebb because of actions of other people. Yeah. So, like I said, anybody that wants to offer help, it will be accepted. And I've given you my address. Yeah. I set it as Suite 404 at 31 Palumba Drive. I'll tell you why. when I had people putting on it P.O. Box 404, Enfield, Connecticut, all my mail was going down to Jersey City, then turned around and sent back to Enfield. The postmaster at Enfield told me to have people address my mail 31 Palumba Drive, which is the physical address of the post office, Suite 404, as opposed to P.O. Box 404. And all of a sudden, my mail quit going to Jersey City. It's all coming right here. So that's why that's the address you should use. 31 Palumba Drive, Suite 404, Enfield, Connecticut, 06083. And like I said, I'm not asking, I'm not holding out my hand. I'm saying if you've got a C note that you want to spare and you want to send it along, or you've got whatever, and you want to send it along, I won't refuse. So, from here at the Smithy Camp, peace out.
By the way, don't forget to